Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about GloFish. Many have probably seen these luminous multicolored fish. They are very beautiful and have recently become very popular. And before we start, please subscribe to the channel, I will be very grateful. GloFish are a type of genetically modified fish that exhibit bright fluorescent colors. They are not a specific species of fish, but rather genetically modified versions of various fish species, including zebrafish, Dionio, tetras, and barbs. The genetic modification involves the insertion of a fluorescent protein gene into the fish's DNA, which causes them to produce vibrant colors under certain lighting conditions. GloFish were originally developed for scientific research purposes to help scientists study gene expression and genetic traits. However, due to their eye-catching appearance, they gained popularity in the aquarium trade and are now available as pets for enthusiasts. The fluorescent colors of GloFish can vary, including red, green, orange, yellow, and blue. These colors are most visible under blue light or ultraviolet (UV) light, which can be provided by special aquarium lighting designed for GloFish. It's important to note that the fluorescent coloration of GloFish is not visible under normal white aquarium lighting. In terms of care, GloFish have similar requirements to their non-genetically modified counterparts. They typically thrive in a well-maintained aquarium with appropriate water parameters, suitable tank mates, and a balanced diet. It's important to provide them with a proper sized tank, adequate filtration, and regular maintenance to ensure their well-being. When considering keeping GloFish, it's essential to be aware of any regulations or restrictions regarding their ownership and sale in your area. Some countries or regions have specific guidelines or restrictions on genetically modified organisms, GMOs, in the pet trade. Overall, GloFish can add a unique and vibrant touch to your aquarium, but it's crucial to understand the genetic modification involved and ensure responsible ownership and care for these fish. Thank you all for watching. Bye everyone.